Hello guys, how are you all? So I hope all of you are doing good and keeping yourself and your family healthy and safe. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna basically give you a flat tour of my friend Nayan. He is also an IBPS PO and he has also been posted in Bangalore. So this is basically a 1 BHK flat which he has got in around 9500. Plus there are some other charges which I'll share in the last. So let's come inside, guys. So this is the first room. As you can see, this is basically a hall where auntie have provided us inverter with a battery, and there's also a fridge and a TV. For TV we have to get the connection from ourselves only. She will not be providing us with connection. So yeah, this is the first room, and there is an ample amount of storage above also, as you can see. So this is the hall, as you can see, and you will be able to see this roof. This is for hanging our clothes, for drying our clothes. Now let's come to the kitchen. This is basically a kitchen, as you can see. It's a base modular kitchen, and we have not yet settled down, so you will be able to see things like this only. So this is the water can, and this is the gas and the stove which auntie has provided us with. However, she will be charging us for the gas. Whenever the gas gets over, we'll have to refill it. This is the storage space. In downside also there is a storage space. So yeah, this was the kitchen, guys. Now let's come to the other the master bedroom, or the single. There is only one bedroom, so there is no concept of master bedroom. So here, as you can see, the clothes are drying, and there is a wardrobe. This is the bed, and here also there is a good amount of storage there, as you can see. And so yeah, this is a nice room, guys, and the wardrobe was also provided by ma'am only. So this is the one bathroom, as you can see, the bathroom. So yeah, now this was the room, guys. So for the charges, I'll say that the total cost per month rent is about 9500, and in Mangaluru the Union Bank provides us with 11,000 rent. So up to 11,000 the bank will provide, and if there is above any charge, then we'll have to pay for that. So the rent for this house is 9500, and apart from that, if we take connection for TV, we have to give it from our own pocket, and for the refill of gas we have to give it from our own pocket, and for water also we will have to give it from our own pocket. And yeah, electricity charge is not included in the rent, so whichever amount of electricity we consume, we have to give it from our own pocket. So this was the video, guys. And also one thing, I'll like to show you the view from outside. So yeah, this is the view from outside, as you can see. So yeah, this is the video, guys. I hope you all like the video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to the video, guys. Bye, see you.